Just got this book yesterday, Waterfall Hikes in Southern British Columbia. So we're gonna go find our first one today, Beaver Falls. Where's it near? Fruitvale, Montrose, British Columbia. So yeah, never been there. Looks pretty. Let's go see what happens.
From chasing after the way you love me, keeping me up 2 cups of coffee. Baby, you make me feel so lovely. I keep on running, no, I should've wanted I keep on falling right into your dark.
I know what you're thinking, railroad tracks? Really? That doesn't seem very safe. Actually, it's quite safe because there's really only one train that runs through here.
Everything I want is sugar like yes please, love is like candy. Sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes please, love is like candy. Oh, what a rush each time we get.
So really the primary objective for today is just to get out here and explore my own backyard. And that's really why I bought the book in the first place. A lot of times we don't realize how much good stuff there is to shoot right near us. And of course, waterfalls are an awesome thing to shoot, but they can be difficult to get to. You never know how the sun is gonna fall until you really get there and see it at a particular time of day. I'm happy, honestly, if I get a couple good shots, but really, that's kind of the fun in photography and video, you know, chasing that perfect shot. Well, that sure didn't take me long to exhaust all 3 batteries. I think I got some pretty good shots in there. But the best part is, it's so close, I can always come back. And that's kind of the lesson for today. You know, you never really know what's out there unless you take a look. And a lot of folks probably think, you know, you have to travel to all these epic locations to find good things to shoot, but a little exploration and a little knowledge, you might find out that those good spots are right in your own backyard.